how special the Lamborghini Huracans and the Audi R8s are. That 5.2 liter V10, not only a super reliable platform, but with this new exhaust setup that we have coming out, we have potential for some amazing sound. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. You can see my smile because this Huracan LP610, this system that we're showcasing, fits the LP580s and the 610s. And of course we have the systems for STOs, Evos, Technicas, the R8 Gen 1 and Gen 2s. All the 5.2 liter cars have been transformed with Valvetronic Designs because of our new catback exhaust configuration. In the video today, this Huracan that you see, it has the catback system installed, non-valve, the F1 system. It has a set of decats, meaning it has the factory headers. There's no engine removal, nothing, just the factory cats, and those headers have been removed. And there's no software, no other tricks. It's just the best catback system on the market combined with the decats, and this thing is amped. I'm so excited to show you this. Let's get to it, guys. Take a look at how wild it also looks. Take a look. So here's the car. Here it is. The car, again, has the catback system. It's got the decats installed. It has our exhaust tips installed as well. These are titanium. They look really, really good in the bumper. Another thing that's important to note is this. Come close to me. The system only has one outlet. It's got the outlets on both sides, but it's only one. The reason why is we're maximizing velocity as much as possible. If you split the pipes to go to the two tips, we would have lost some of that exotic sound. So this system has been designed, engineered, and tested for the ultimate high-pitched frequencies. The resonance you get with this setup is unlike anything else. If we split the exhaust at the tips to have it so it has 4 outlets, we would have lost a couple hertz of frequency up high where you get that really nice exotic resonance. For us, this is a compromise worth doing. It looks a little different when you're looking at the rear of the car, but it's very, very difficult to see. You barely ever notice it, but it's so important to making sure your Huracan sounds as good as possible. Startup, revs, flybys, launch control. We're at the airstrip today, so this thing is gonna sing as far and wide as possible. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course you guys are gonna get to hang out with Shane and I inside the car to enjoy the ultimate F1 sound experience, true F1 for the Huracans. I'm so excited, guys. Let's get to it. You will have seen, if you've seen all the videos, or maybe this is the first one that you've seen, LP610, we have the Huracan Technica, same system as the Evo, same system as the STO, the R8 platforms as well. This has been one of our most exciting and important developments, one of the biggest exhaust developments in the industry for some time. Thinking back to Gintani when they released their system for the SVJs and how transformative that sound was, people before had straight piped those SVJs, but Gintani really made this system very unique. Now, Valvetronic Designs, we have made this platform, the V8, the V10 cars, way more dynamic. So we're gonna get this thing warmed up. You can tell it's very aggressive behind us. There are no valves. It's just the most pure, high-pitched, enjoyable experience. And if you're driving around fifth gear, 35 miles an hour, it's still totally usable like a normal Huracan would be. All you're getting is engine noise. So it's a very nice dynamic setup even without the valves. It's been designed uncompromisingly to give the best experience, whether it's low RPMs cruising or high RPMs when you thrash it. So we'll check back in with you guys in a little bit once the car is fully warmed up, and we'll show you how good this 5.2 liter car sounds. As good as a Carrera GT or LFA? You guys will just have to decide for yourself. Here we go. Right at 5,000, the sound change. Listen, it's normal odd firing sound at like 3,500. But once you get to 5,000, listen. Smooth. It's incredible. Oh, and I think this car might be tuned because the pops. Wait, did this nice woman. Good. Keeping up public relations. Very nice! It's so funny because these cars are still valued quite high in terms of the used market. These cars retailed for like 250 or so, between 200 and 250 when they were new, and they still fetch between 100 and, or they still fetch between 150 and 200 now. This car is almost 10 years old, and it's incredible. But now, I think the values are just going to keep going up because of how good we've been able to make these cars sound. Right at 5800, listen. You guys outside. I wonder where it sounds better, inside or outside. Let's have you guys be the judge. Put it in the comments below. Let's go. And that, everybody, is the world's best sounding Huracan LP610. We're so excited with the developments and all the time, energy, and effort spent to make this platform truly something special. We know already how capable and how exciting these cars out of the box. But with this exhaust setup, you could be convinced that this car has the same level of excitement from the exhaust experience as like an SVJ. It really is a cut above the rest. And every other exhaust that these cars have had for the past 10 years, nothing comes close. The only thing that's close is the Secret Weapon Fab system, but that system is $20,000. They're making them in very, very small numbers. This system is a catback only. It's stainless steel. It's $5,000. Then you have your cat delete sections, which are very easy to do. And there's no engine removal, no header change, nothing. Just bolt on the system and go and get this incredible level of sound. At Valvetronic Designs, people have asked us as we've done the development and the showcase of this product, people have asked us, well, why don't you make it 10,000? Why don't you make it 12,000? We want this sound to be applicable and something that everybody can afford. We know that these cars are expensive, but this is the same amount of money you'd pay for a nice catback from another company that doesn't have these developments. With this setup, you really get it all. So we're so excited that everybody's been super enthusiastic of this development for us. It's something that we're super proud of, and we look forward to making sure all these 5.2 liter cars, whether it's this LP610, 580s, Huracan Evos, Huracan Technicas, Performantes, whatever it is, and of course the Audi R8s, sound phenomenal with this odd-firing V10 5.2. We've changed the experience. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.